To operate the jacks, first power on the unit. Operate jacks using the tongue switch or bumper jack switches located on the chain guard. Alternatively, backup hydraulic levers located on the curb side of the unit adjacent to the cab can be used to operate the jacks. Press and hold the green button to activate the hydraulic pump. To place the rope on the level wind, pull the pin, remove the sheave, place the rope, and reinstall the sheave and pin. Level wind selection is done either on the control panel touchscreen or via the level wind selection switches on the lower dashboard. Control the level wind's lateral back and forth movement with the joystick thumb switch. Use the level wind to evenly wrap the rope on the drum. Use the drum shift mode to assist drum engagement. To enable the drum shift mode, press and hold the drum shift button for about 2 seconds. At the joystick, pull the trigger and either press forward or pull back to rotate the drum. The engaged drum reel will rotate slowly. Engage the target drum. Press and hold the drum shift for about 2 seconds to disable drum shift mode. Line tension is indicated in the upper central portion of the control screen. Maximum line tension can be set and managed in several ways. The tension control knob is used to set and manage line tension. Tension can also be set with arrows on the control screen. This can be set on the touch screen or with the soft keys. Line tension can also be set at the tension indicator gauge using the touch screen. Rotation of the drum is managed by the joystick. The trigger must be squeezed and held to indicate the operator's presence. Pushing the joystick forward will pay out line. Once out of center neutral, the trigger may be released. Moving the joystick back to center neutral will stop drum rotation and set the brake. Squeezing the trigger and pulling the joystick back will pull in line. Again, moving the joystick to center neutral will stop drum rotation and set the brake. The payout brakes are color-coded to match the rope colors. Payout brake pressure on a respective drum is increased by tightening the payout brake. Turning the brake knob clockwise, brake pressure is indicated on the screen. To lower payout brake pressure, turn the knob counterclockwise. E-stops are for emergency situations, to stop operations, and should only be used in emergency situations. There are 3 E-stops located on the unit, 1 at the operator station and 1 at each side of the unit. To reset an E-stop that was activated, turn and pull up on the knob, then go to the control screen and press the red banner on the screen to reset the system. The battery rapid recharge system is managed automatically during use. The battery icon will display the state of charge. The Sherman+Reilly lightning bolt indicates that the unit is charging. To turn off automatic charging, see the manual. To charge the unit at any time, simply turn the key switch to the engine start position or press and hold the engine icon button. The display settings screen is accessed from the home screen by pressing the settings icon or soft key and then the service icon, then the display settings tab. The display settings tab provides access to setting the unit of measurement, display brightness, sleep timeout time, and rain or glove settings for the screen. The light tower indicates the battery state of charge. Green indicates the unit is functioning properly and at full capacity. Each light section represents approximately 1/3 charge state. During use, the tower light pulses, indicating the discharging of stored energy. A single red light indicates a low charge state and that the unit needs to be charged. From the settings screen, press Data Log to access data logging. Press Enter Data Log File Name, enter the file name, then press OK. Insert a USB drive formatted in FAT32. To begin recording, press Start Log. The button changes to a red indicator when recording. To stop again, press Record. The system saves the file to the USB drive as a text file.